In this video, we are going to learn the fastest way of doing comparison of fractions. You will see that in certain cases we need to do a very little calculations, while in certain other cases we don't need any calculations at all. We can find out the solution just by looking at the fractions. We are starting with very simple examples, and then slowly we will move to calculate difficult examples in the later part of this video. Here we are going to start with the comparison of these two fractions. We want to see whether 2 upon 5 is greater than 3 upon 7, it is equal to 3 upon 7, or it is less than 3 upon 7. Here we are going to use the method of cross multiplication. What is that? Multiply the numerator of first fraction with the denominator of second fraction. Multiplying 2 by 7, we get 14. Write 14 on the top of first fraction. Now multiply denominator of first fraction with the numerator of second fraction. When we multiply 5 by 3, we get 15. Now compare these numbers. Here 14 is smaller than 15. The fraction having the smaller number will be smaller, and fraction having the bigger number will be bigger. Here 14 is less than 15, so 2 upon 5 is less than 3 upon 7. In other ways, we can say that 3 upon 7 is greater than 2 upon 5. If these two numbers are equal, then the fractions will also be equal. Now let us do this example. Multiply the numerator of first with the denominator of second. 4 multiplied by 9 is 36. Multiply denominator of first with numerator of second, and we get 34. As 36 is greater than 34, so 4 upon 17 is greater than 2 upon 9. Now let us compare these two fractions. 3 multiplied by 22 is 66. 13 multiplied by 5 is 65. 66 is greater than 65, so the fraction on the side of 66, that is 3 over 13, is greater than 5 upon 22. Here we want to compare the three fractions and want to find out which one of these three is the biggest. So we will compare two at a time and find out which one is bigger, and whichsoever will be bigger will be compared with the third. So first find out which one is bigger of 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 4. 2 into 4 it is 8, 3 into 3 it is 9, 9 is bigger than 8, so 3 upon 4 is bigger than 2 upon 3. Now this is bigger, so this will be compared with the third fraction, so 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 7. 3 into 7 21, 4 into 5 20, As 21 is bigger than 20, so 3 upon 4 is bigger than 5 upon 7. 3 upon 4 is bigger than 2 upon 3. 3 upon 4 is bigger than 5 upon 7. So the second fraction 3 upon 4 is biggest of all these three. So our answer is 3 upon 4 is the biggest fraction. Now we are going to discuss about the situations under which we can make the comparison of the fractions with the help of our observation without doing any calculation. Now see this example. Here we want to find out which one is the biggest and which one is the smallest. This problem looks to be quite difficult to solve, but it is not. Now just see the difference between the numerator and denominator. Here the numerator is 3 and denominator is 11. Difference is 8. Here in this case numerator is 19, denominator is 17. Again the difference is 8. Here again the difference is 8, and in all the cases you see the difference of numerator and the denominator is same, that is in this case it is 8. So in the situations where the difference of the numerator and the denominator is the same, then we can make the comparison with the help of our observation. In such cases, just forget about the denominators and focus on the numerators. The biggest numerator in such cases is the biggest fraction. Here 23 is the biggest numerator, so this is the biggest fraction. 23 over 31 is the biggest fraction. This is the smallest. 1 upon 9 is the smallest, number 1. This is the next, number 2. This is the next, number 3. This is the next, number 4. And 23 over 31 is the highest with number 5. So in such cases we can make the comparison just by looking at the difference of numerator and denominator. So in the case where the difference of numerator and denominator is same, then it is very easy to make the comparison just with the help of our observation. Now see, 3 over 4, 4 over 5, 5 over 6, 6 over 7, 7 over 8. In all these cases, the difference of numerator and denominator is 1. So here 7 over 8 is the biggest, this is the next, this is the next, this is the next, and 3 over 4 is the smallest fraction in this case. So many times this technique is very helpful in making the comparison. Now look at this problem. Here all the numerators, they are same. This has 17, this has 17. All of these have 17 as the numerator, whereas the denominator, that is having different values. So in the case where numerator is same and denominator is having different values, then focus your attention on the denominator. The fraction with the highest denominator is the smallest. So 17 upon 57 is the smallest fraction, and the fraction with the smallest denominator is the biggest fraction. So starting from the smallest to highest, this is the smallest, it is at number 1. This is the next, number 2. This is the next, number 3. And this is the next, number 4. And this is the next, number 5. Means 17 upon 19 is the biggest, and 17 upon 57 is the smallest fraction. This is the second higher, this is the next higher, this is the next higher, and this is the highest fraction of this system. Now see this example: 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 6. Here in this case the numerator in all the cases is 1. So we are to focus upon the denominator. The highest denominator with 6 is and the fraction with the lowest denominator is the highest fraction, and these three are between 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 6. Now look at this problem. In this problem, all the denominators have the same value. All the denominators have the value 17. So where the denominators are the same and numerators have the different value, then the fraction with the highest numerator is the biggest fraction, and fraction with the smallest numerator is the smallest fraction. So this is smallest, number 1, this is next higher, number 2, this is next higher, number 3, and this is next higher, number 4, and this is the highest, number 5. 11 over 17 is the highest, and 3 upon 17 is the smallest fraction. So I hope that this video will help you in your competitive exams and in the regular exams as well. So if this video is helpful to you, please subscribe my channel and also click the bell button.